Welcome back, everybody. Tonight we're working on this Maxi LS once again. If you remember from the last episode, the ring was broken and it wasn't running. So I ordered a new ring from Treatland. I also ordered a new rear sprocket. I want to gear this out a little bit so it has a little bit better top end. First thing I'm going to do is check the ring gap, then install the ring. Then I think I got to cut a cylinder gasket and assemble the top end. The ring gap is 0.13, so I'm going to open it up just a little. I opened the ring gap to 0.15 millimeters, and I feel that's a much safer size. I'm adding a little bit of oil to this ring, and then I'm installing it. The ring is on, and it looks good. I do need a new base gasket, so I'm going to trace the old one and cut a new one. I use a new X-Acto blade every gasket. Use a punch. Double check that this lines up. Yep. When I do my base gaskets, I like to oil them. I feel like the base gasket soaks in the oil and gets a little bit thicker. And then when you clamp it down, it can squeeze it out and make a better seal. But I know a lot of people do them dry, and I have done them dry before as well, but this is just the way I usually do it. Make sure the end of the piston ring is at the pin and squeeze it together. Okay, gasket. Install the head nuts finger tight. Finish the head with a torque wrench. Reinstall the carburetor. Line up the exhaust. I put the rear one on just to hold it up. I always tighten the header first because that will align the pipe. After the front is tight, tighten the rear mount. Exhaust is mounted. Find the master link. Get out the really crappy old ones. Loosen your brake adjuster. Remove that. Take the whole cable out, because we're going to take the whole wheel off. The pedal side's a lot easier. You can just do this, take this guy off here, and take it off there. And then loosen your axle with a 19 mil. Do need to take this one off to remove the sprocket. Use a 10 millimeter to remove all these. Out with the old, in with the new. Go around and tighten them. Put your wheel back in. Put your tensioner on. That'll hold the wheel in place. I have a great video on how to shorten a chain, and I'll post a link to it in this video. Alright, I removed one link. I'll put this chain back on. It should be a better fit now. Put your master link in. Remember, you want the opening facing backwards, so if it's rotating, it doesn't hit and pop out. Okay, now we just have to tighten it a little bit. Alright, that's pretty good. Make sure your wheel's aligned and tighten your axle. Now we just need to reinstall the rear brake cable. It's just backwards of how we took it out. Okay, we should be done. This is my favorite part, seeing if it runs. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions or comments.